So the online mentoring club, two, that's intended for um, want to make a business out of interest. Yung may interest ka, gusto mong gumawa ng business on that. Okay? So, the MMI, Gold, and Platinum. Ibang-iba yung thrust niyan. Tingnan mo this is mastery of marketing. Layo, no? So, which part should you should you do if you want to become a good entrepreneur? Which should you go to if you want to become a good business person? Question. Is it online mentoring club or MMM Gold or Platinum? Which one? Now, you can be a good business person by learning about it. If you want to become a good business person, the goal is not to go to a online mentoring club because this one contains less lessons. Why? Because ang first part ng online mentoring club is self-analysis. Layo, no? Kasi tungkol yan sa iyo eh. Tungkol yan sa your interests. So that's the first part. Self-analysis. Mga several months worth of self-analysis. There will be overlaps in lessons. Sa first month is self-analysis. Second month is self-analysis. Ang gold at saka platinum ng MMI, ang first month lesson is Facebook marketing. Layo, no? Layo, di ba? As hiring VAs. Yan ang mga topic ng mga first few months ng ano. Ibang-iba. Technical kasi ang MMI. Tsaka writing, copywriting, copywriting, subjects and headlines. Very technical. See that? So, if you want to learn marketing, which is the backbone of businesses, if you want to understand how to make money sa internet, understand you you learn online marketing here. Ngayon, if you're interested in understanding how you can use your own interests and make money from that, that's the online mentoring club. Now, this one also has Facebook marketing, okay? But doesn't have hiring VAs. The Facebook marketing will happen siguro after mga 5 months into the program. Laki ng difference, no? So this is slower in pacing. Ang MMI Gold and Platinum, sobrang bilis ng pacing yan. Okay? Sobrang bilis ng pacing. Tapos itong online mentoring club, no live meetings yan. Completely online yan. Kaya online mentoring club tawag dyan eh. Itong MMI Gold, walang live meeting ang Gold. Yung Platinum, may meetings. See that? So pacing is different. The purpose is different. A lot of people started with me in the online mentoring club sapagkat wala naman akong ibang program nun kundi online mentoring club lang eh. I created the MMI because I know everybody needs to learn marketing. And if you spend all your time doing self-analysis, you will not learn about marketing, right? So if you want to learn how to make lots of money online, you already have a business, you can skip the self-analysis because marketing ka na agad. VA or business person or anybody interested. Of course, the person who's interested lang na hindi business person, na hindi VA, is the rare kind of person. That's the kind of person na gusto kong tulungan. Kasi you're learning marketing kahit na hindi mo pa siya magagamit. Okay? Which is good because hindi ka na tense while you're learning. You're just studying it. Ang maganda lang when you're learning and applying like a business person or VA, kumikita ka agad ng pera pag nagpa-practice ka ng marketing. Yung tao na magpupunta sa MMI na wala pang business, you will be promoting yung sinabi ko nga, go negocios, uh, business, no business. You'll promote go negosyo para matuwa si Joy Concepcion. And that's called adding value. And hopefully, pag natuwa siya sa'yo, pwede kanyang i-hire. Or pwede kanyang i-refer sa mga business friends niya. O, di ba? Yan yung purpose niyan. So, does the MMI remove the reason why there's online mentoring club? No. Kasi inside online mentoring club, yung mga parts na wala naman sa MMI, which is discovering your passion, the correct mindset, wala naman diyan. Walang mindset training sa MMI masyado kasi it's really marketing mastery. Yang marketing master insider ang tawag diyan eh. Dito sa MMI, slow pacing. Hindi naman lahat ng tao kaya yung fast pacing. Ganun. So there. 'Pag gusto mong sumali sa Platinum, pwede kang kumuha ng recordings ng live meetings. We can't promise you live video streams kasi hindi naman reliable internet sa Philippines. But you can get recordings. I already have the recording of the first session. So kung pwede kang Platinum, okay naman because of location. Pero maganda ring i-asam-asamin mo na pumunta ka sa meetings kahit mag-travel ka by plane. Alam mo, hindi imposible yan. Ginagawa ko yan eh. So, if you really want to learn, you travel to learn. Malaking balik sa'yo yun kasi you will be sure to recoup your expenses by applying what you learn. Pero yes, you can get recordings of the live meetings, so walang problema. So there, konti lang ang sumasagot. Dami ninyo, pero kakonti yung kumakausap sa akin. Ganun. Anyway, so salamat sa pag-attend. I hope you consider joining this stuff. Tama na yung excuses kasi for 1 year, dami ng excuses. Di ba? Tama na. Pagbigyan nyo naman yung iba. Wag naman yung excuses. Lagi mo naman pinibibigyan yung excuses. Di ba? Yung mga I can't afford it. Really? If you can't afford it, wala kang cellphone ngayon. Because some time ago, nobody had cell phones. And you were able to live. Ngayon, it's essential. It is a needed thing. Of course not. I can live without one. And I live this year. See? It's not essential. You just think it's essential. That's why you can afford it now. Ganun din yun. If mentoring is not essential, you cannot afford it. If it's essential, you can afford it. Micaela Carillo, hi. I just downloaded the VA seminar. Is it okay to join MMI now or do I have to finish my assignment first? Nah, walang overlap yung dalawa. Totally different. The VA seminar helps you get the mindset of a winner who will apply to work for someone who's a foreigner. It doesn't teach you marketing mastery at all. So if you learn MMI while you are preparing to meet that client of yours na foreigner, mas equip ka, mas mataas ang confidence mo. Pero mastery yung pinupursue mo, parang master's degree. So, mas nakakatulong sa confidence mo kung MMI student ka. Most of the VAs in interview ko for the last several months is member ng MMI. Okay. Yon. Sige, thank you very much for joining tonight's event. You helped me a lot by realizing many things. And yung sikreto natin na yung forums.digital point. Sa inyo lang yun Pag sinare nyo sa ibang tao yun, baka mabaliw. Baka sabi, yung ganda doon, ang daming yaman doon. So, tago nyo lang muna yung forums.digital point ha. Kasi it's a minefield. Only people like me can, basta, alam niyo na, okay? Gamitin niyo lang for your own purpose. Thank you very much for joining today's webinar. I'll see you inside one of the clubs, Online Mentoring Club or MMI. Deadline for the discount sa MMI is Friday. Okay? Friday, this coming week. Bye!